Hey, how's it going, guys? My name is Tom Spark, and today we're going to be showing you just a simple tutorial on how to use PureVPN with Netflix. So, PureVPN is a VPN I've been checking out lately. Just kind of going through VPNs and explaining how to use their features. So, if you want to check out some more videos on VPNs, just stick around on the channel. Anyways, guys, today we're going to show you how to stream Netflix with PureVPN. Pretty much you're going to launch the app, install it, and log in with your credentials. You should have those in an email, your credentials to log in. Once you get there, you're going to log in and you're going to see something like this. So you're going to want to pick on that streaming tab. I picked that already. So let's do optimize for US Netflix faster streaming. Once you do that, you're just going to go ahead and click connect, guys. Alright, so that did take a little while to connect, but it did connect. Good to see no problems there. What you're going to want to do now is launch your Netflix website. Alright, guys, so actually wasn't working, so what I had to do is just disconnect and reconnect again, and now it does seem to be working. So if you have that problem, anyways, guys, here's Netflix, and as you can see, we have PureVPN. I'm going to go ahead and test it on just on this basic show here that it seems to want me to watch for some reason. As you can see there, it is working, guys. So anyways, it's pretty simple to use PureVPN with Netflix. Essentially, just to do a recap, you're going to want to go to streaming mode and then go ahead and pick the purpose and Netflix US. That's pretty much it, guys. If you want to support the channel, go ahead and click on the link in the description down below to visit PureVPN. If you purchase PureVPN, I'll get a small cutback and be able to continue to do videos like this. Thanks for checking out the video, guys. I'll see you again on the next one. See you later.